Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure Tedit is installed and that your project folder is backed up. This prevents accidental loss. Once done, open the app and load the target file so you can work immediately. Make sure autosave is enabled and encoding is set to UTF-8 to avoid character issues. You will also configure visible rulers and line numbers now. This helps navigation as you perform edits. These first actions set a reliable workspace for every following step. Now you focus on making precise edits. Use syntax highlighting and folding so sections are easy to scan. As you work, apply search and replace with regular expressions to update recurring patterns quickly. Preview changes before committing. Once mid-stage, arrange a split view to compare versions and insert reusable snippets for repeated blocks. Make liberal use of keyboard shortcuts to keep flow. This reduces context switching and maintains momentum through complex restructuring. Finish by running Tedit's linter or validation tools so errors are caught before saving. Save a new version rather than overriding the original, then run tests or preview the result to confirm behavior. If something fails, revert to the backup and inspect encoding and line endings first. Those cause many invisible issues. Also disable recent extensions to rule out conflicts. After these checks, commit or export the final file, and you're done. Your edits are verified and reproducible.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.